Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export source code files from lovable.dev, okay, on your PC. Now you can come and click on this code viewer, and if you want something specific you can download it through here. I'll show you a way to download everything at once. You just come here at the top right, click on sync your project to GitHub, and then click here on connect GitHub, okay? Then click here on connect GitHub again for the connected account, and then I want you to just sign in to GitHub. So use your username and password, or you can connect with Google as well. So first we will export all of this to GitHub, and from there we'll be able to download it. And if you want, you can even make it public to allow other people to download it as well. So come here, click on link account, as you can see right here, and then authorize lovable.dev. So as you can see, it is now connecting GitHub. And now that is done, as you can see, it has been linked. All you need to do is go ahead and export this. Okay, so there we go. It is now connected. As you can see, let's refresh this page. And then click here. As you can see, it says sync your project to GitHub, and just go ahead and do that. Connect your project. You can add your GitHub organization through here, and after that, okay, scroll down, click on install and authorize. So we are installing everything, not just a specific repository. So there we go. This is our GitHub organization, and now we can connect our project to that. So this is going to be a two-way sync. And now all you need to do is click here on view on a GitHub. And there you go. You are able to download everything through GitHub. Just click on code and then click on a download zip. That's all you have to do. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.